Hi teacher and classmate, and in this video I'm going to talk about my best holidays in Mexico and Las Vegas. The traveling was 4 years old and it was our first trip with my mother, my boyfriend and my mother-in-law. We traveled from El Dorado International Airport. Our first destination was Mexico City. The flight was for around 4 hours. We arrived at 2 p.m. and we rent an apartment by Airbnb app. We took the subway to move in the city. We stayed in Mexico 6 days. The first day, we met the Guadalupe's Virgin Cathedral. For our mothers were the main purpose of this trip. We met Xochimilco, where visitors can take canal rides in boats. Teotihuacan pyramids built in the pre-Columbian Americas during Azteca culture. Garibaldi Square, where the mariachis groups plays traditional songs called rancheras. And the Frida Kahlo's House Museum, as known as the Blue House, where the Mexican artist lived. We taste some traditional food like burritos, pozole. Pozole is a soup. Tortas. Did you remember Chavos Tortas? Okay. It's like a sandwich. And chapulines. Do you know what is chapulines? The chapulines are crickets with lemon and chili. My boyfriend and me had a surprise for our mothers. They didn't know about their new destination, Las Vegas, until we arrived at the Mexico airport. They watched us scream. They couldn't believe it and got so excited. The flight time to Las Vegas was 4 hours approximately. Las Vegas was hot. There are many hotels and casinos. We walked along Boulevard Avenue during the day. At night, it was an interesting experience. During the night, Las Vegas has many activities like concerts and shows. A lot of people enjoy the casinos or drink something in the street. Remember, Las Vegas is the city never sleeps and where everything is possible. We stayed 3 days in Las Vegas. Then we rented a car and drove to the Grand Canyon. For me, it was the best part of the journey. We stayed 2 days. Its sunrises and sunsets are famous. We saw both. Early in the morning, my boyfriend and me did a hike during 5 hours. It was a great experience. Okay, it was our last day of my holidays. We returned to Las Vegas and took the flight to Bogota. Thank you.